Hi everyone. So I have some more things. These items I'm going to share with you, except for the last, which is a box of ribbon. If you add any of these to one of our boxes, then I will take some money off of shipping. So let's go over it, and I'll tell you how much I'll take off for shipping if you buy something else. Okay, because they can fit in another box. So I have a stamp one. This is going to be number 9, and it's the stamps. So these are all brand new stamps that I just have duplicates of. So the first one is Paper Smooches, which just went, closed their doors. This one I love so much, I bought it twice. This is called Sending Joy. This one, I don't know, I think it's Frappe, or I don't know. But this is a greeting farm, Anya, and she's holding like a Frappuccino. And I bought this one twice. Super cute. And then this one is Mama Elephant. It's Lovely Piggies, and it includes the dies with it. So this one right here is going to be $22 shipped. If you add it with something else, then I will take $4 off shipping. So if you buy it with a box, then it will be $18 instead of $22. Just by this, it's $22. Okay, so then we've got these. So this is going to be number 20. And these ones are the Spellbinders dies. They're brand new. They're part of their kits, their kit clubs that come out every month, which I just canceled because I just don't have time to use all of these things that I buy. So anyways, these are brand new, never opened and never used. I'm selling them for $30 shipped. If you buy these with a box, then it'll be minus $4 shipping. So instead of 30, then it would be 26 for these. So this one is the large die of the month. It's September 2020, and it makes a cake. This one is the large die of the month, February. It's the Art Studio Abstracts in February 2020. And then this one is September 2020, small die of the month. And it makes like this frame with flowers. And so there's that. And then the last thing, it's going to be number 21. It's going to be this, just this ribbon box. And it is filled. I mean, medium flat rate box, like filled to the rim with so much ribbon. Like, I can't even share with you guys all the ribbon that's in here. It's like more ribbon than anybody has ever seen before. I mean, I've got like a big, at the bottom, there's like this giant like bag of ribbon. And then there's all kinds of these little clippies filled with ribbon. And then we have just ribbon. We have spools. So, ouch, I poked myself. So I had a bag of ribbon. I just dumped it in here. It is a ton. Like, you're going to spend all day, all night going through this ribbon. So this is going to be $30 shipped. And so it is a ton of ribbons. So if you're interested in any of the boxes, anything, email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. I will get back to you as soon as I can. I'm actually, got some things I got to do, but I will go ahead and get started on sending emails, and I'll mail these out as quickly as I can. Thank you for watching. Cindy Crane at the Heart.